Hey guys, what's up? So the government of India has released a new language model and it's called Bhashini, and its aim is for the inclusivity and empowerment of all the language barriers. So this AI model they are trying to achieve is with the help of Methi. The government of India is trying to achieve the language barrier since India is a vibrant country. Like it has so many languages. I just checked; it's around 780 languages in India. uh, there are very regional languages, very isolated languages, some really particular languages that is spoken in a very isolated area. So yeah, so many languages, and uniting them and coming like letting them come onto a platform or using them, letting them, enabling them to use some technology is really important. So the government of India has released this model and it's called Bhashini. It's a fantastic model, and in this I have what I have researched about this project, so I'll tell you about it briefly. So in this project, this AI language model is used to translate stuff, so the people can use it to translate a document into their own desired language. They can translate the websites online to another language, whatever they desire to be, and a lot more application is there. Some focus, and I think I'm saying some, but it's a massive focus on the farmer side of things. Since there are a lot of farmers in India, our economy still has a major chunk of farmer population in the country, so a lot of focus is there. So they are trying to transcend the language barrier of the farmers and enable them to use technology on their devices. And not everyone in India can speak English and Hindi, so even though there's a massive chunk that speaks both those languages, it's still not enough. So to transcend or to overcome that barrier, they have made this model, and I have seen it work like in videos and stuff that they put out on the website. I'll put a link in the description below, in the pinned comments also, and I'll also put a link in the description. You can just read the website name and just easily visit the site, and I'll also put it here. As I have seen this, it's working fantastically, and just to brief you on this, you are able to live translate your language. You can just speak into the system and it will generate a language of your desired voice at the live moment. Like it will transcribe it at that point only. It can translate stuff, it can speak a PDF, it can translate the characters from a PDF into another language. And you are also they are also enabling Bhashini to do voice payment. You can just call a number and just ask it to just send money to my father, and it will ask you how much money. You will speak 50 rupees, then you will speak it will ask you for your pin, obviously, because anyone can game the system. But yeah, they ask for the pin, you know the pin, and it will just do the transaction for you. It's that simple. I think I have seen in the stat, I think it's around 5-10% only population of India is using UPI. It's a massive number, but still, at the grand scheme of things, that percentage is still less. So yeah, this will enable a lot of people who don't even have access to smartphones and internet will be able to use UPI and benefit from that technology. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. I think this is a fantastic model, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Till then, take care and peace out, and also happy new year, guys. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that on the main website there's a button here called join Bhasha Dan. It basically just clicking on it, it's a crowdsourcing project by them, and you can see here it takes us here, and you can just hear and validate the stuff. You can speak and train the model, you can write and train the model, and lastly you can just see the images that it's converting to converting OCR, basically OCR recognition of the PDF files, that the power it has, and you can just validate the images. It's such a smart way of doing this, but this can also be I think tainted. The data can also be tainted, so I think they should have some sort of user recognition here, so that if someone taints the data, there should be a fail safe here. But in my opinion, this is a fantastic initiative by the government, and I just thought I should let you know.